PHP provides us a way to store information within the script. That way we can use it for whatever means necessary. We store information, or data, inside of variables. Those are just named storage locations. You can think of them like they're containers. Let's go ahead and make a variable right now. All variable names start with a $sign. They can also contain characters, uppercase or lowercase, underscores, or numbers. But we're going to name our first variable var. And if we would like to assign some data to it, store some information in this variable, we need to use the assignment operator, which is an equal sign. That'll make the data on the right-hand side of this line be stored and compacted into the variable on the left. So thinking about the data types we talked about in the last lesson, we could store someone's name, or maybe a number. Let's go with that for now. And most commands need to end with a semicolon. That tells the parser to, hey, this is one command, then move on to the next one. Now we could do a lot with this variable and other variables. We could perform operations on them within our script, and then we could store them in a database or present them to the browser. We're going to go ahead and do that now for demonstration purposes. We'll use the echo command. That's a built-in convention in PHP that allows us to take data or information and display it in the browser. Now you can display it in HTML or other just text, but let's just go ahead and do that right now. For instance, I'll display hello world, and with a semicolon, you'll see hello world in the browser. Or if I was to display just a number, if we save and refresh, we'll also see that value. We can do just the same for our variable var. There we go. When we echo out this variable, what we're really doing is we're referring to the contents inside of it, the 7.34. Now, PHP scripts are executed from top to bottom. That means if we were to reassign var to have a different value, we could do so. And when we refresh this script, we'll see the new value. That's because on line 3, we set var to equal 7.34. But on line 5, we reassigned it a new value. They're not stuck being constant. You can also assign a variable to equal the contents of another variable. Take a look at this. We'll set x to equal hello world. And we'll set var to equal x. This assigns the value in x to be the value in var. So var equals the contents inside of x. So if we save and refresh, we'll display hello world.